Asus has laptops for all intents and purposes, many of which get updated every year with the latest specification and some refinements over the previous models. The TUF Gaming A15 2021 edition is one such refresh, as you could probably tell from its name. So before jumping into its detailed review, let us know its specification. The laptop comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD panel with a 100% sRGB color game mode. The laptop is powered by Ryzen 7 5000 series 8-core processor coupled with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of fast M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD. The laptop packs 90 Wh of 4-cell Li-ion battery that can give you up to 6 hours of battery life. The laptop will cost you around 1,10,000 Indian rupees and around $1,200 to $1,400 in the international market. Right out of the box, you would feel the toughness of the machine. The lid is metal with a matte finish, and this year's model looks different from the previous one. Both in size and position of the logo and insignia have changed. Lift the lid and your eyes are likely to fall on the 15.6-inch expansive enclosed by rather thick borders, especially on the forehead and chin. A regular 720p webcam resides on the raised brow. This pronounced portion up top is what let you easily lift the lid. Landing your eyes, you will see the full flat keyboard with the translucent WASD keys. Talking about the hinge here, it is sturdy and offers a 140-degree relaxation. This is a 15.6-inch 16:9 IPS level anti-glare panel with a 1080p resolution. The standout aspect of this panel is the 144Hz refresh rate, which should entice the target audience. So this is plenty good for gaming, work, school and media consumption. The screen covers 62.5% colors of sRGB game mode, 45% of NTSC and 47.34% in Adobe. These are not ideal values for video editing and other creative pursuits, but then this is a gaming focused laptop and it is good for gaming itself. Keyboard. As mentioned already, the TUF A15 has full key assortment on deck. This is around 104 keys including num keys, and I like their actuation and depression feel, and the response from the keyboard is really impressive. The keycaps are large with the exception of arrow keys. There are no dedicated hotkeys, and so you have to make to do with FN plus combos. The backlighting is single zone with the 3 levels of luminosity. The touchpad is also workable with the integrated clicky buttons. They are backed by Microsoft Vision drivers and support multi-finger gestures. And there is enough of space provided to rest your palms while typing. Performance. The TUF is tough on the inside thanks to the AMD Ryzen 5000 series processor with the 8 cores, 16 threads, clocked at 3.2 GHz. The review unit we have comes with a 16GB of dual-channel DDR4 RAM and 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD. Asus lets expansion up to 32GB of RAM and spare 1TB to M.2 SATA slot, which is present on the motherboard. As far as graphics is concerned, you are getting Radeon 8 integrated GPU and a 6GB GDDR6 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 discrete chip. This, along with the G-Sync enabled 144Hz display, delivers largely enjoyable playtime. Battery life. Battery life is another area where Asus TUF A15 2021 edition really shines thanks to its 90 Wh cell inside. Company claims that for casual use and performance mode with the Armoury Crate, you will get around 8 hours of battery life, and for office work or some day-to-day tasks, you will get up to 11 hours of battery life. Sound quality. The sound quality of this laptop is average. So I had tested the sound quality and I am going to play some audio on this. You can listen to that audio and judge the sound quality and loudness. So after using the laptop for some time and experiencing it, I have made a list of the top reasons that you must consider to buy this laptop. You can buy this laptop for its great battery life, compete in performance, beautiful display with a 144Hz refresh rate with the adaptive sync, nice typing experience because the response from the keyboard is very good, Respectable port selection, ample memory available and expansion also possible up to 32 GB. So we also have the reasons to avoid or not to buy this laptop. That is the average webcam quality and there is no biometric solution provided. So to conclude with this laptop you are getting a very powerful hardware combination from AMD and Nvidia which will give you amazing performance while gaming. Not only that, this laptop is also coming with a beautiful display and a full HD plus resolution with a 144Hz refresh rate with the adaptive sync. Also the battery life of up to 8 hours on gaming and 11 hours on office use. Totally, this is a value for money package. So if you're really looking for a mid-range powerful gaming laptop, then you can go for this. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.